Moose steak, moose and potato stew, smoked salmon, and pilot bread. We're leaning heavy into the Alaskan food theme. Moose is good. That was a lot of food. Chocolate covered almonds just to leave a nice taste in my mouth. Oh, need to go do the dishes before this freezes. Now that I'm done cooking, I stoked up the fire and temperature's gone up nicely. It says now the shelter's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, so it's cozy. My back is done. I'm gonna take some Advil and just relax. Well, I'm tired, full, warm, and dry. It's time to get some sleep. I think it's time to go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning.